Oh my God, it's Cold Wheels. Let's go get him.
What would you like?
Well, since you have the best prices ever, I'll take a bullet and a Choco Taco, please.
Well, thank you very much. Anything for the customers here at Cold Wheels.
You're the best, Cold Wheels.
How you doing, sir? Can I get the crunchy monkey with nuts?
Yes, no problem.
Well, thank you.
Cold Wheels ice cream truck is located in Plano, Texas, with the best prices you could ever find. Nobody compares to us, because we're the best ever.
Thank you, Mr. Cold Wheels.
Thank you for the crunchy monkey.